Let's say you just downloaded a free version of Ecamm, the streaming software that you can use for recording and streaming and everything else, and you're watching it right here, actually. Before you open it for the very first time, here's what I want you to do. I want you to create some folders on your computer. So here I am on my desktop, and I opened up folders, and I'm going to zoom in. At least I think I am. There we go. There. And I opened up, and I'm in Documents. So Documents is where I am, and I'm not going to use that folder, obviously, but I'm down here in Documents. You do not want to do it in iCloud, and you don't want to do it if you have a OneDrive going on. Apparently, I have both. You want to do it in Documents, and you want to create a brand new folder. So I created one called Ecamm Assets. You put everything that you're going to use in Ecamm, and you put it in this folder. Hang on a sec. If you have a question about Ecamm, any question at all, a specific question, I would love for you to ask a specific question about Ecamm, and I'll do one of two things. I'll answer the question for you, probably in a video. Or if I don't know the answer or I can't figure it out, I will point you to the person who does, because there's a lot of people out there that are really good at Ecamm, and I believe I'm pretty good at it too, and I would love the challenge. Don't try and stump me. Just ask the question. I'll show you the answer. That's the goal. The website looks like this. You'll find a link in the description below where it says ask specific questions. You ask the question, I'll answer the question. Now, you've got, what I did was I created a bunch of folders for stuff that I want to use. Now, you're not going to make all of these. I doubt you're going to have a folder that says build GIFs. But I've got some GIFs of me doing stupid things that I can drop up on the screen. I'm not going to do them now because they're stupid, but they were a lot of fun to make. I have to admit, I'm going to have to find a reason to use them, and maybe I will. I've got build pop-ups where I've just got some stills of me doing some stupid things where I can just have it animate in and animate out because, well, you can do that. What you need primarily is one for your music, whatever music you're going to play, and one for sound effects. Okay, now they're both sound, but one is sound effects and one is music. Music for intros, music for outros, music for a bumper that's near the front end of your video, whatever the case may be. You've got music for that. Then you've got sound effects in case you want to play a sound effect. You can do something like that. For instance, I could do, yeah, I could do that. But why would I? Because they're fun. That's why they're there. And you get a set, basic sound effects, when you download the free version of Ecamm. So there's that. But then I've got Stream Deck keys. Now, if you don't have Stream Deck keys, don't worry about it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. And then I've got one for video. In case you're going to play a video, you want to know where it is. You don't necessarily want to play it, right off the internet. That's a whole different settings for that. But you can set it up where if you have a video you're going to play, put it in there. Now, the cool thing about this is, although it is on your hard drive, and that's where you want it, because Ecamm is going to go looking for it in the same place. If you move a folder and put it somewhere else, Ecamm is going to have a hard time finding it, and you may find yourself resetting some things, and that's never fun. So what you want to do is you put them on there, but you can take this one folder. You can take this one folder right there, and you can drop a copy onto an external drive or even a thumb drive if the thumb drive is big enough to handle whatever it is you've got going on there. And then you can transfer it to another computer if that's what you wish to do. Put them all under just one folder so that you know where they are. And now you're thinking, well, Bill, I already see that you've got these here and this there and that there. I'm not great at organizing a hard drive. I'm just not. I'm kind of all over the place, and I admit it. And a lot of us are like that. I think more of us are like that than those that aren't like that. But when it comes to Ecamm, you want to put your stuff right where you can find it. And so Ecamm can find it. That's what you need to do before you even open Ecamm, because it will make things simpler down the road, and you'll see why. That's it for now. More tips, more things coming your way as we unpack Ecamm from square one and start building some things that will really make you set yourself apart for some easy online impact.